India is one of the world's largest producer of rice, accounting for 20% of all the world rice production, and is the main staple food for half the world's population. Rice production of India is set to touch a high of 102 million tons in 2011-2012 and will emerge as the world's biggest rice exporter. With its roots in the agro-business for almost a century, Amira realized the potential of international sales and evolved from an agro-trading firm into a leading processor, marketeer and distributor of premium basmati rice under the Amira brand. Amira's state-of-the-art plant incorporates the latest technology and meets the highest international standards. Amira continues its drive towards innovation in the food industry. Amira has one of the most modern packaging units on par with the best in the world to pack and seal the rice under the most hygienic conditions throughout the entire process. Only the purest and finest product carries the Amira name. One of the 4 power brands in India, according to Marcom, an independent brand consultancy. Amira has followed an aggressive path of investing in its brand. The Amira range of products is available from the smallest retail stores to the biggest retail chains across India and internationally. Amira has built brand identity in over 25 countries worldwide, connecting people and cultures globally through the language of food. Amira plays a significant role in the journey from farm to fork. The vision of Amira is to be the leading global rice brand and the best in class emerging markets food company. Amira Nature Foods Limited, a passion for purity.